So DeepSeek, huh? Everyone's talking about it, how it's so good, how it's shaking up the whole US AI bubble, how could company in China train a model with such low costs, and how a company out of nowhere is able to compete with OpenAI. But we're not going to talk about that because you've probably heard about it a lot. What I'm going to show you is how you can run DeepSeek or other open source AI models on your computer locally to keep your data private. So basically, when you run something locally is that when you download the model, you add it to your computer so you can start using AI without the internet. Of course, that means that if you want to use the internet to question for any query, that wouldn't work. But if you're doing any creative work, you have questions, you have something else that the model is already trained on, you can just use it without the internet. The data will stay local to your device. And for some people or for some tasks, that's really important. And don't worry, you don't need any technical skills to run the model. If you want to use DeepSeek online, just go to deepseek.com, go to start now. You're going to be able to log into your account. You can sign up with Google SSO for your account, and you'll be able to use like you do ChatGPT. But we're talking about using this model locally. So for that, we're going to go use tool like lmstudio.ai. So once you go to LM Studio, this is basically like an application you can download on your Windows or Mac computer, which is basically going to provide the user interface to use the open source AI models on your computer. So download the application, and once you have the application installed, just open up the application and you're going to see like something like this. I mean, it may look scary if you're not technical, but don't worry, we're going to go through this. It's super simple. On the left here, you're going to see like 4 options. One's model, one's developer, one's chat. We're going to go to discover, and then under discover, this is where we search the model we want to download. So here we can search for DeepSeek, and here we have like multiple options. We have DeepSeek R1, which is the one that's that has gone viral. We have like 3 different versions for it. MLX is the one you would want to use for Mac, and then the other ones are the ones you want to use for like a Windows computer. But if you don't want DeepSeek, maybe you want to use a Llama model, which is developed by Meta, or you want to use a Mistral model. Yeah, if you want to use Mistral model, again, you have those models available here for you. And then all you got to do is just hit download the model, and it's going to download the model locally onto your computer. And then this tool is going to provide that interface for you to use that model. So next time you're on a plane and you just want to use, an AI tool while you're on the plane without the internet, download a model locally, and there you have it.
Nice.
The other option is, if you want to like do some data analysis work and you feel scared about sharing the data through like ChatGPT or DeepSeek or other models, you can have a model that's local for you. So that way you can keep the data private and the data stays on your computer. So that way it's not being shared, and you can just leverage LLM tools to, do whatever analysis you want to do for any confidential information that you may want to use AI for. Now, once you have the model installed, all you got to do is like create a new chat. You're going to have to load the model. So let me see if my model is loaded here, and I'm just going to ask it a question. So this is my DeepSeek R1 model that's loaded onto my computer here. I'm just going to ask it, can you write me a blog post on why we should use AI LM models locally? So here I have an error message that model wasn't selected, which I think I knew. So I'm just gonna go here. Okay, up here, I'm gonna go select the model. So I'm just gonna pick my DeepSeek model. I'm gonna load the model, and now I'm gonna send my command. So we have a model which is running on a computer and giving us answer to that question. So if you use the same prompt online, like on the web version, you're probably gonna get a better response. The reason is, like my computer doesn't have the technical ability right now to be able to like run that big model, which requires a lot more computing power. So this is like a smaller version of that model that we're running. We're using the model that has like 7 billion parameters. The one you see on like the DeepSeek's website, that's like the model that's using 671 billion parameters. So of course, if you have a lot of compute, you probably know how to run this model without even this interface that I'm showing you. But I'm assuming you don't really know how to run a model locally. So you probably don't have the compute either, like the graphic processing, the GPU you need, the RAM you need to be able to run this model locally. So yeah, just wanted to let you know that if you see the results are different, like it's the same model, it's just that it's a smaller version of it that you're able to use locally. All right, so like I said, super easy tutorial. All you gotta do is go to lmstudio.ai. There's another tool that you can use. It's called Ollama. So that's another option that you have. Again, it's it's basically the same thing, just different companies. Download that software, download the model, whichever model you want to use, and just use it like you would use ChatGPT. As always, I'm Sil Kashank. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for learning how to use AI for work. See you in the next one.